Yo, this is Steve Marley and you're watching Lyman Tune. Scene, keep it locked.
Lyman Tune, Lyman Tune.
Jamaica land we love. Haile Selassie I seated. Unmovable mountain. False grounds are broken. In Rastafari presence. You let the banner be flown. The red, green, and gold. And let the whole world know. Memories of old, ancient memories, memories of home. Memories of old, ancient memories are my dreams of home, home. They have taken away my only possession. They don't want me to know where I belong, belong, belong. I am from a place in the distance, a place where the ocean kisses the sky, the sky, the sky. Full of your hit and make you live a miserable. Fill up the silence so vegetable. Me hear you say that it's not enjoyable, and I'm innocent and I'm in a plate pan table. So I want some so does the reap. Never plant and them and they don't come to eat me. Child of the one be one plant wine, and you never soap it in a pump and yam swine. Yam go, them yam good, yam everything. Where am I gonna know? Where am I gonna go? Alright, them got yam chicken and got yam egg and yam everything. Where am I gonna go?
Africa is the highest region, and Africa is the center of the universe. What me I talk about? When we say talking about, you must say Africa. I'm talking about we. Hey, hey, I'm talking about we. Mama, 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 mama. Talking about sweet, sweet Africa.
What you say?
herb, early in the dawn, me and the herb when the sun, and when the sun gone, I said, always will believe it. The herb I will be steaming, I never will believe in your side. So just pass me the Weasler. I said, beg you a raw. I said, sell me a lion bride. Just me and the herb, early in the morning, when the sun gone. Hey, it's come on your nerves. I just early in the morning, me and the herb, when the sun, I'm a deal with this split. Real and proper, watch a roll it like a meal. Another breath, grab another, need no other weed. Pretty, these are another, hey, like the third wheel showstopper. Tell you, watch a slow now. Come on, make it stutter, whoa, even stammer. Watch a hey, she come and tell us, I'm a chop up the weed and fine. I said, my got it, I'm roll it, don't tell mama that, no. She don't want me play, so she don't want me steam. Hey, she don't want I am, I esteem. Over your feet to the I place, and the great I place. So sing it with me, no. No ganja man in the place, no ganja woman, no man. It's me and the earth, me and the earth. When you mean that?
1, 2, 3. Would you like to do the honors and read what the caption says?
Alright. First and foremost, greetings to everyone. Rastafari. Rastafari love. Well, I'm gonna say this, but I'm gonna say something else. We're sailing in the same boat. We're rocking up the same stream. So no matter what they do, so no matter what they say, all the Jaja children will go harambe. So give thanks to Marita, pioneer, you know. But let me tell you something else. To I as the children of Bob, the brothers and sisters of Bob, all the followers of Bob Marley, all the Bob's friends, all the gang friends. It's bittersweet today. You know, yeah, we are celebrating the 40th anniversary, but to us, it's bittersweet because we do remember that day when things happened and, you know, things took place. But because of the love of the Almighty, we forgive, but we never forget of those things that happened here in Kingston, Jamaica. But so, you know, through the love of the purpose and the mission, our Father decided to continue the works. No matter if it was a bullet in him, a bullet in Mama Rita's head that grazed her head, we still did the concert, Smile Jamaica. So to all and each and every one, you know, this is bittersweet to us, but we still give thanks, you know. So in the name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor I Selassie I, Jah Rastafari, His Majesty love. So tonight, you know, we're gonna celebrate, I brother Damien, Stephen, you know, Ziggy, Kimani, Julian, Robert, and you have Karen, you have Sidella, you have Stephanie, you have Sharon, you know. But I as Rohan, I represent each and everyone. And we each and everyone represent each and everyone. So the gang live forever and ever. So don't ever forget that. See it?
Brother, we discover your youth. Better days will come, better days shall come. Better days will come, better days shall come. Better days will come, better days shall come for them. You see that little boy in the gully gutter, kicking cans, him, I beg you for $1. No food to eat, beg you for some shelter. Don't just walk by. Everyone has a story of their own. Who is without sin can cast the first stone. Like my daddy saying, no man is an island, no man stands alone. Rise up, rise up, rise up, rise up. No more speculation, help them rediscover. Rise up, rise up, rise up, rise up. Join the unification and show them better days will come, better days shall come. Better days will come, better days shall come. Better days will come, better days shall come for them. You hear that little girl screaming for her life. Closed minds, they she's been rude and unkind. What about the half that's never been told? You're too quick to conclude. A rose is still a rose, my little flower. Don't let that words water you down. Embrace the ray of sunshine on you, yeah. Take control of your beautiful blossom. Every leaf has its day. Where they feel so weak and droopy, don't let your life slip away. So you better rid the dead weight bringing you down. You're the seed of your growth. Don't you ever forget it. Just know who you are, who you are. Know who you are, who you are, a superstar. Know who you are, yeah. Just know who you are, who you are. Know who you are, a superstar. Know who you are, yeah. Take a look in the mirror, little girl. Tell me what you see. Do you see past those scars? Probably. You are your own artist to your canvas. Explore the colors from within. Paint your picture with your unique signature. So you better rid the dead cells bringing you down. Your reflection's a reason to smile.
Watch over me. Play that tune, you feel like the mothers them. What the mothers them do? All the mummies, all the sweet mama them there. Conquering lion of the tribe of Judah, Selah, Jah, Rastafari. Oh, yes oh, give thanks and praise, yeah. Give thanks and praise, Rastafari, yes, him show me the light. Rastafari, even when it's dark in tonight. Oh, Rastafari, I know your love is right. Yeah. Rastafari, him give me the power of his stay alive. So let me tell you, blessed is the man who strength is in me. Praises be unto the Almighty. shine better than the Zico. What? Let me give you something to keep on. Them same one cheating the same tongues I to the cure. Stop for the court, slowly for those who don't get up. Well, most of like the thunder and stone. As the fire and flames the shots that don't feel stone. All of the bam bam, but not the son of the stone. If you sleep on top when you reach no stop, make your head rock like when Rasta did the drop. Burn everything. Burn everything. Finish up school and then roll with the Lord in your mind and start learn everything. Everything. Don't wanna learn everything. Instead of them lock in the place and them can't hold a key, tell them learn how to sing. Them summer sound like a bird and me sing. Speakers are jamming the shirt and me in. Records are spin like the world when you win. Tell life away to my bird at the gym. Still I see me learn from the king. Watch how me sing so the earth in a sing. Whoa! Tell all the bodies a temple, so watch how you bring in the church where you live. I'ma go to top. I'ma go to top. Spanish Jamaica go to top. Boss gonna go to top. I heard him talking. Oh, what you saying? I heard him talking. I heard him talking. Oh, what you saying? I heard him talking. Oh, what you saying? I see them fighting over fame. Champagne was standing. Them a talk about mannequin challenge. Never know mannequin challenge. Come here, make we nice, so dance again. I said, come make we nice, so dance again. Come on, Tom, away there, please. Make we nice, so dance again. Oh, take it time, take it time. I said, make we nice, so we dance. No, show them. So we even get the slow music for when she enter. Why not? I couldn't miss you a while ago. This is your music though. Bring forward all spirits. And me are the old one. And the young spirits. Cause she younger than me in the crowd. Come. You ready? Come on. Just have my funny liver, time of one and the walls of singer. We sing and sin, but still I want sinner. Just I don't want to, whenever the eyes. Nigga now move like river. To the foundation I just pass him on. Who got the keys to me try? Move people just to life, move people just to life. Money, give them move people just to life. Sunday dinner, rise some feet, rise some fever. Please don't leave the power and alarm. They go say gas to the car, and then they got kill them. Find the time, they got the trigger.
It is my pleasure right now. Smile Jamaica, are you ready? Let's welcome the soulful sounds of Kalisa.
No one to blame but us. Pointing fingers with my head. We've gotta find it ourselves to do the best that we can do. How many more will never know? How long will we know once we know? Will it take more for us to stand together? How many more will have to see? How long will it take for us to see? We will never be free if we can't stand together. You got the key to my heart, so I can find no love again. And it's been so long, I can't seem to forget all the time we spent together and all the memories we made. You told me that I was your treasure, but treasure just don't last forever. Rock with me now. You locked away my heart like a secret. You locked away my heart like you didn't go. You locked away my heart. No, nobody could find it. My love was stolen. Oh no, and waiting patiently while you're on your escapade. What's the sense in love if you had it all away? Oh, did you find another treasure who shines brighter tonight? Your love is like inconsolation. You won't let me say goodbye. Oh, goodbye. Locked away my heart like a secret. You locked away my heart like you been gone. You locked away my heart. Nobody could find it. My love was stolen. Ganja, ganja, ganja. I'm a gangster running all the wrong places. 2003 I'm trying to fool them, show them faces. Nothing cannot face it. When I get my high grade shit, look, I only never looking into my eyes straight. Shifting energy, I have done before. So we look at her everything. I need to adore the journey of the gun, but always see me wanting more. I even let my enemies, I even let my lord know. Green is the color of gold, so rise up and shine one. Hey! Green is the color of gold. I need a little ganja. Green is the color of gold, so light up the fire. Green is the color of gold. Love the Mary, hey, you made little turns to my head. It's the simple things that really made me happy. Like a stalker since a media from a dealer. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner, little boots, and I'm a bless. You made little turns to my see me. My sisters and my brothers join along with me. It's a family affair, mommy and daddy together. I'm in front of your job here, cause she's green is the color, oh no. Love so bright up and shine. Green is the color, oh no. I need a little ganja. Green is the color, oh no. So light up the fire. Green is the color, oh no.
Ooh, I met a girl this morning. She was love at first sight. Said I met a girl this morning, and she was beauty to my eyes. I asked her where she from, she tell me in the tropics. She asked me what's my name, I tell her I am Chronic. And I said, girl, tell me what's your name. She tell me that her name is your turn now. And I said, smile, girl, I love you. Don't you know, smile for me, Jamaica. And I said, smile, girl, I love you. Yeah, smile
for me, Jamaica.
And then whenever you cry, here am I. Oh, baby.
I'm here for you, Jamaica.
Dry your eyes, girl, smile. Easy now, Debbie.
Sure.
Your body. Ease. Here's your mic.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up one more time for Chronix, please. And when we call him Rastafari, watch how we can tremble in the light judgment. Listen, nasty little teacher boy touching on my nephew, tearing up the dragon in my head, blood bubbling like a boy microphone. More like yes, I saw at least get a piece from the dread. Tired of the pervert, loose in the classroom, set on destruction of innocence. Ready for the battle with the demon. Sure say I know me one, willing for stick a head on offense. Sisters are afraid to make an example of a guy or a woman for that matter who never dare to try. See through the future is dependent on the youth where we are built. This is warfare, this is not a drill. So any fool feel colorful and want to fraternize, any undercover freak better know to keep them eyes off. Judgment on the beast who trying to get a rise up, watching or touching or assaulting or worse. The kind of evil bring a permanent curse, and I see me an instrument of cruelty and destruction to anyone with a wicked intention for the young one. It is the mightiest of love with which I interface love by any means necessary where it concerns this guest. Unafraid to make an example of a guy or a woman for that matter who would ever dare to try. See through the future is dependent on the youth where we are building. This is warfare, this is not a dream. Be unafraid. In the yard, scent and trouble, music a bubble, steam as a bubble, but chalice a bubble from morning to dark, and fire upon the fire. Love in the yard, scent and trouble, music a bubble, steam as a bubble, but chalice a bubble from morning to dark, and fire upon the fire. Wanting to always about Jamaica, we are the confidence of the African continent in Rastafari. No influence is greater, and the state of the nation is testament to why the people are suffer from disease of the mind. Them of the enemy as them deity, so they worship the blind. But the real black Madonna is the rightful divine, and the king and queen crown same time. Balance in the yard, sit and joke. Music a bubble, steam as a bubble, but chalice a bubble from morning to night. And fire on the forward is a love in the yard, set and trouble. Music a bubble, steam as a bubble, but chalice a bubble from morning to night. And fire on the forward just a blaze up. The fire just a blaze up, burning out the evil. The music free the people. Oh, brothers and sisters, there is so much we do not know, but we give thanks for sound mind and a clean heart. Humble me more and more. The heights just a grow and the bliss just a show, and I humble me more and more. The more that I learn, the little that I know, and it humble me more and more. The truth set me free and encourages me as it humble me more and more. Humble me more and more. There is so much to fear, they say. So many unknowns. There are those who would scorch the face of the earth in a selfish game of thrones. Learned of the mysteries and the forcing the world to comply, but if that's the source of the sacred is then what we deny. And when I tune into the frequency, none of the sins of adversity is show and I humble more and more. The more that I learn, the little that I know, and it humbles me more and more. The truth set me free and encourages me as it humbles me more and more. More and more. Beautiful people of Jamaica. As we remember the great Robert Mr. Marley, let us always remember that he put the king first. No matter what you hear about him, when he spoke for himself, he always spoke of the king. In this time when we have no examples for leadership or fatherhood, we must look to the king. He has left his words and his example for all of us. So we give thanks and praise all the elders who came before to show us this. Be yourselves. Everything you need, you already are. Today, man sees all his hopes and dreams crumbling before him while he plots and schemes. Hard way, saw him choose to learn, then war for curse the fire when him plans get burned. But I know, and that's what you say, the truest resurrection is spiritually, and the key to the comfort is to pray the word, knowing not just believing, for the prophecy revealed. With a new name, Rastafari, we got a tremble when them sound up. A new name, power of the Trinity, Lion of return to the throne with a new name. Rastafari, we got a tremble when them sound up. A new name, Haile Selassie, Lion of return to the throne. Oh, she screams in pain, another life descends into the physical plane. Your mama frightened as she wraps her brain around the world she has cut out for her. She must maintain, but I know, as I suggest say you, the youth them is the future, let them lead the way. Just nurture and prepare them for the present day. For the word and the example of his imperial majesty, the new name. Rastafari, we got a tremble. New name, power of the Trinity, Lion of return to the throne with a new name, Rastafari. Oh, new name, Haile Selassie, Haile Selassie.
Just where are you coming from? A far, far away. Are you feeling irate? When in this world that we live in today, mankind are so cold, things set away. Only poor people are feeling pain and strain. What politician they must come up and I don't have a play. Them dash your body, don't like burn nowadays. Don't you listen anything that them used to them. How things send away. Well, only the poor shall rise in this time. You can't even think twice to make this choice. I choose King Selassie, I over Christ. I uplift your people to live a better life. No one has tried my behold I price. One out devil, demon, antichrist. Yes, this are our truth, this is no flipping lies. I hail from the mountain of Mount Sinai. Well then, respect the life that you live, then you might live forever.
Straight up talk the whole parliament abroad. While we stick up in them a corruption not large. Get off, get to loose through political brand. Them show on them media party 10 man. I said that are the way of it, keep the place calm. Now breathe it to white jungle bus can. I bus up what the four comes set deployed. Dreadful sitting in a Kingston town. Police and bad boys in a big showdown. Gunshot a ring out run rounds and rounds. After the action block up only gangsters out. In a big long trench come the bleach pumps. The wrong turn up best you know you're wrong. Jack Kingdom the last in not take no joke. One voice raise it and sing along. I say uptown. Here shut the fire the youths like no street. Uptown, downtown, round in them streets. Here shut the fire the youths like no street. Well uptown, downtown, round in my street. Watch me now, we teach every youth to be wise. All man are free, don't get caught up in them animosities. Them now show love, then what them think we gonna free. A praise to the brave, we shall fall at your feet. Many times see my eyes up the red, gold and green, gold and green. Are you waking up for Steve Marley? Let me hear you say yeah for Steve Marley. Let me hear you say yeah for Bob Marley. No, I can't hear you. Louder for Bob Marley, yeah. Ah, yeah. Whoa, 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 yeah, yeah. Yeah. I see them fighting, but still Rasta survive. So I say things and times will remain the same, but people will change in a many ways. So what? Don't get caught in the things they do. Cause them kinda sit and make you fornicate. I know life is full of enough gravy things. I never was a licky boy, I say no way. So me pull up on a militancy. Join along and sing with me. I tell them this, so yes, Rastafari way. I share the king's highway. Now on and on to glory. Now I say, oh yeah, my journey's just begun. All around, hear me up. Everywhere I go, life I see happiness. Ground to find a true place, I make my mind rest. My life was a mess, having enough love on best. But through the heights of my intellect, I visualize things I couldn't find on internet. To make the truth connect, but on the biggest step, open my eyes to life. Everything's alright, I live life to the fullest, I mean everything twice. I go from an investor, no me turn lecture, make every ghetto use it on the board of the directors. Own up apartment, cruise and private jet. My mama tell the airways like the president. Cause Rasta wear the crown, so pagans can hold you down. King Selassie, he sits on the highest throne. Let me tell you now, oh, 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 yeah, Rastafari way. Try the King's highway. All alone I say, oh, 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 yeah. Rastafari way, yeah, yeah. Ah, yeah, yeah, yeah. Try the King's highway. Now on and on to glory, now I say, oh, yeah. Let me now burn up corruption, all around, watch me now.
From my play, I'm a true Jamaican. My things done and me try to rig it. Travel Africa and me travel Japan. My mother proud of me, so she just love my man. Whoa, 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 yeah. I'm Mr. Reggae Ambassador. Yeah. Whoa, 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 yeah. I'm Mr. Reggae Ambassador. Yeah. Hey. Mr. Reggae Ambassador. Whoa, 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 yeah. I'm Mr. Reggae Ambassador. Hit me now. Bob Marley, how are you feeling? I root. Come again. Hear this. Roots I
It's love. Massive brain, it's all the same. It's love, it's not a game for faith, but my loving you, and I think just to the truth. We're a fuck here, a special reason. It's broken, and I is free. Everything I dream of, I couldn't be forbidden. It's love.
She called me from across the room, so tantalized by the way that she moves. Tell Shasta Ben, give her a chance. Don't stop the music, please let her dance. And I smile now, she's dancing.
All them Sasha Ben.
All this attention, you're what this means.
Yeah.
Tell Shasta Ben, play that again. Play that same music so we can dance, 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 dance. Just a make we dance, dance.
One good thing about music, when it hits you feel no pain.
40 years later, same place, same date, same songs. We still there! You're too rude. As a child, some things stand out in your memory. And I remember I was supposed to come to rehearsal that night and I fell asleep. And my grandaunt woke me and said, "Steve, wake up. Your father gets shot." It was very important to I and I to come and sing these songs, because not only was he rehearsing these songs, but after being wounded, these were the songs he chose to sing.
Charlie.
it is an offense, but not a sin. It's he who laughs last. It's he who wins. It's a foolish law that barks at a flying bird. One sheep must learn to I spec the shepherd. Cheering, yeah.
The philosophy which all one ranks superior and inferior is finally and permanently discredited and also abandoned. Hey, when everywhere is war, just say a war. But until there are no longer first class nor second class citizens of any nation, that until the color of a man's skin is of no more significance, I've got to say war. That until the basic human rights are equally guaranteed to all without regard to race, just say a war. Until that day, dreams of lasting peace, world citizenship, rule of international morality will remain but a fleeting illusion to be pursued and to never get away everywhere. Just say a war.
From jungle to river. Jungle to river. If I get to mention it. Come on to out the truth. From paper to democracy.
Can I say all hands up, please? All hands up, hands up, hands up. Come. Say you can free up a plan. I know some of this time. I'm not sure who you bring me and the Amadi. You took me and the power man. Give up the say you stand. Give up it to pass that is so. If never stand, be set the real. Let someone you free. Knowledge and the key and it may set the people free. Highly high philosophy is love and unity. So much as segregation and social economy. This is not just for the swift, but those who can endure. Make sure you have a steady to be in as I don't know. Keep your thoughts and grow. Your love is for the poor. Some people boy and bust up on them who can't afford. Because of your free run, they get away. They don't need heaven and the earth. They pass away the glory board of God. If rising out of cast, there will be no reward. Talk to them, talk to them.
All the youths in the struggle, fighting guerrilla warfare. Well, Somalia to Ethiopia, Egypt to Zimbabwe.
Hands up again, hands up again, hands up again, hands up again. Hey! I just see us is in a war. The color is a star. The back of every nation, the family of another. You don't care who you are. There's a light of a star. You shine the way, the dawn and tell. You seek and you research. We science and research. The blessing is the temple and the temple is the church. I still not this everywhere. Most
Portmore to Kingston. Oh yeah, Kingston to Antigua. Well. From Southside to from Common to Unchained Parkland. Jungle. Police and thief in a shootout. Nowadays we have to get cool down.